So now I'm going to show you. That's all of them. Here's the hexagon. Here's the hexagon. Pentagon. I'm going to make a bird. Square. I'm going to make a yellow bird. Yellow wing. Another wing. That's yellow. A birdie's tail. Does the birds have tails? I'll take an orange birdie tail. Maybe I should make a beak. Birdie! Whoa! That's what happens when I pick it up. Whoa. Bye! I'm gonna make a cat now. Cat. Oh no, Vayda. Okay, Vayda doesn't want that. Maybe I can do a storybook here. Green face. I'm gonna do a pink one. Green, purple, blue. Tail. One pink label. Here's my cat. I'm gonna flip it this way so you can see. Okay, we just stepped on it. Bye, cat. So now I'm gonna do Disney characters. Now I'm gonna make a gingerbread house. I'm gonna do a fairy castle. Put some frosting on. I think my cat would like it. I'm gonna leave it here for him. A rainbow one. I got a purple one now. Did it? Ta-da! A rocket ship. Need a rocket ship.